from a military hospital, a medical certificate written in terms of the military procedure and protocol, and for a court to just dismiss such as no evidence before it, we are obviously disappointed.
And I mean, of the point you even raised this, Mr. Mantsha, that you asked the court to adjourn so that it could find the doctor and satisfy itself that indeed the medical certificate was an authentic document.
That was the most reasonable thing for the court to do. And the court never explained why. If the court was not understanding the format of the medical note, it was reasonable as we invited the court to stand down the matter, and as I indicated to the court, the medical doctor in question has offered to explain to the judge what the situation is with the former President Zuma.
The matter has, of course, been stayed, but moving forward, and I can see you are quite unhappy in how the court did not consider a lot in terms of your arguments to satisfy itself with regards to the statement. What can you challenge this warrant? What's going to be the next step?
Well, look, firstly, the authority of the court must be protected. The administration of justice should not be put in disrepute by any of us. And we're very concerned that when courts issue warrants under the circumstances like this, where the whole country know that President Zuma is not here, that indeed President Zuma was hospitalized in Durban, indeed President Zuma underwent 2 operations early January this year, that President Zuma is outside the country, that the very same has appeared in this court countless of times, even when he was not required to appear. And then when you issue a warrant under those circumstances, people start to ask whether we are all equal before the law. As you have seen, we made submission. There's accused number 2, who at many times was not in court, but there's never been a warrant issued. So we are of course concerned on how our people will view the courts, especially when you have got orders like this, where an elderly person who has complied throughout with all the adjournment and all the warning to appear in court, he fell ill, given his age and everything and the journey that he has traveled in life. That we come to the court is disbelief, that a court finds that we're not sure whether he's sick or not. That is absolutely, in my view, sending a wrong message to the people, that our courts have no sympathy, no compassion, and that is not something that should be celebrated.
On the 6th of May, the former president is now expected to come back to court. Now, it's a bit of a difficult one, Mr. Mantsha, because he is seeking medical treatment. One doesn't know whether or not he'll be healthy and ready to come back on that day. And so how are you going to proceed in that vote? Will you ensure that he is back on the 6th?
Well, all I can say to you is when President Zuma was fit, he was always in attendance. When President Zuma will be fit, President Zuma will be in attendance. We are the legal representative. We are not his medical team. The medical doctors from the military will decide, together with the medical team that is treating him in a foreign jurisdiction. They will decide on his fitness to appear. All we will do is to convey whatever reasons that will make him to appear or not to appear.
Mr. Mantsha, thank you so much.
Thank you,
so for your time. Thank you.
All right, let's go back to Pretoria.